How's it going, everyone? This is the end of the first day in Seville. Didn't really get that much shots as I was supposed to. It's been really hot. We've been just chilling by the pool all day. And tomorrow is going to be a big day. We're traveling to Badajoz, or yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it, to the city, which is closer to Portugal. We're gonna meet Miguel and Laura, and can't wait. It's gonna be awesome few days with them. And yeah, it's been very hot. Like it's plus 37 degrees, and it's really late. Like it's after 9 p.m. and it's still very hot. So I got a little bit of headache. Yeah, I haven't slept for a long time, and yeah, it's been very busy days. And yeah, I don't know, guys. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of Seville from me, and then we gotta move on tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day tomorrow. See you later. Just arrived. 200 kilometers done. Now we're gonna meet up with Laura, and she's gonna take us to Miguel's place, and we're gonna have a lunch together. Alright, let's get it. How's it going?
Hello, how are you?
Ooh.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm very hot.
She's Anna.
Hello.
Arvis.
Nice to meet you. Nice to see you.
Yeah.
It's very hot. Very hot, yeah, because we were in a bus, so it was okay, you know, for like 2 hours.
Okay, but here that's impossible.
How do you guys live without aircon?
Yeah, I don't know.
Right?
I don't know.
You're probably used to it, right?
Yeah. Ah, that's a Spanish lift. A normal one.
Well, I think this camera doesn't fit in here. Everyone else can fit in here. Ooh. Okay, let's get out here. Okay, here we are. Miguel's humble abode.
So that's for the wedding. All of these things for the wedding.
Ooh.
Hello.
Hello. How's it going? Long time no see. Mēs satikāmies, man liekas, īsti Aktonā, kad dzīvojām. Who's here? You feel me? Who's here? Miguel!
How are you? You look a bit sunburned.
Oh yeah.
Be careful. You need to go filming.
Well, no, I'm fine, man, you know. I was in Bali, you know, I was burned crazy, you know, but no, it's fine.
Abonne-toi au plaisir.
What's up, everyone? Hello, internet. It's day 3 in Spain. Yesterday we traveled from Seville to Badajoz. It was around 2 hours and around 222 kilometers, which is the city Badajoz is situated a little bit like northwest from Seville. It's very hot in here. It's like 39 degrees every day. Seville was hot as well, but like the hot is really hot. Like nighttime is alright, it's like plus 20 maybe, but daytime it's plus 40 pretty much every day. Yeah, but it's pretty cool. I love it here. We're at the Contemporary Art Museum at the moment, just like, you know, just embracing a little bit of art, you know, a little bit of Spanish art. Today what I'm gonna tell you, so yesterday I didn't really film that much because we had like a formal sort of dinner party with Miguel's and Laura's family and relatives and friends, so we didn't want to interrupt that much with them with the camera and stuff like that. So I left the camera at home, and yeah. But today is gonna be a church ceremony. We're gonna be heading to the little chapel. It's very beautiful. We went there yesterday, so we saw it, how it looks like. Can't wait to actually show you this to you guys. It's gonna be very traditional Catholic Spanish wedding. Yeah, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to Lisbon. We're gonna stay one night in Lisbon, and then we're gonna fly back to London. But then there's gonna be so many other cool things in between. I'm gonna show you with my drone, and yeah, I can't wait to show you this to you guys. So enjoy. Okay, everyone's getting ready for the wedding ceremony. Anna already called a taxi. It's like 5 minutes drive from here to the church. Okay, we just arrived at the church. There's a lot of people.
Feeling good.
Nervous?
I'm not. Just feel some kind of responsibility.
Orad, hermanos, para que este sacrificio mío y vuestro sea agradable a Dios Padre Todopoderoso.
El Señor reciba de tus manos este sacrificio para alabanza y gloria a su nombre, para nuestro bien y entre toda su santa iglesia.
The wedding ceremony is over. It was amazing. So we're waiting for the bus here?
Yeah, I think so, yeah, because everyone is here.
Okay. Okay, we're taking a bus to the hotel or to our evening dinner place. It's gonna be like 15 minutes. And that's it. Miguel and Laura. So we just had a dinner inside the ceremony. Now they're gonna open a nightclub section, which is another like a piece a little bit on the side for the wedding. We're gonna be like drinks on tap, cocktails, stuff like that. We had a coffee. It's around 2 a.m. in the morning. It's not that hot. It's cold, so it's pretty good. So we're gonna dance and we're gonna have a fun time. And we're all smoking cigars. We've been given cigars by a bride's mother, Laura's mother. So yeah, smoking cigars. is singing karaoke. I want to break fucking free. Let's get it.
God knows I'm falling in love. It's strange, but it's true. Yeah, I can't get over when you love me like to do. But I have to be sure when I walk out the door. Oh, how I want to be free. Oh, how I want to be free. But life still goes on. I can't get used to living without you by my side. I don't want to live alone. Yeah, God knows can't make it on my own. Something that can't you see? Break free. I've got to break free. I've got to break free. Yeah. Vamos, con todo. I want to break free.
Still hot in here.
Yeah, just get inside.
You think there's aircon inside there?
It must be. Didn't you bring water?
No.
No?
We didn't.
Oh,
It's
that's a big
okay.
mistake.
Thanks
If there's
for
anything
everything.
open
Thanks
door.
for coming.
For hospitality,
Okay.
it was amazing. It was so good.
See you, mate. See you soon.
Yeah,
Thanks
see you
for
definitely
coming.
soon.
Thanks
Yeah.
for coming.
And I really can't wait to show you all this, how it's gonna look in the end.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so good.
It's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Meet you soon. Meet you soon.
Yeah.
We'll make more videos, guys.
We
You
will.
see me, you will see me soon.
Yeah, in London probably.
London.
We'll see. Okay, so you can say goodbye.
Okay, so safe journey.
Yeah. You too.
We will
Bye.
let you know, yeah?
Yeah, of course, please. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy.
Thank
in
you.
Lisbon.
Okay, we are leaving city of Elvas for Portugal. So we were taking with the car. Miguel took us with the car to Elvas, which is like 20 minutes from Badajoz to Elvas. So we're taking a bus to the Lisbon. There we go.